Mental health meaning? Mental health refers to a person's emotional, psychological, and social well-being, encompassing their overall mental and emotional state and how they think, feel, and act. It is a critical component of one's overall health and well-being, just as physical health is. Good mental health is associated with positive well-being, the ability to cope with life's challenges, maintain healthy relationships, work productively, and make sound decisions. Key aspects of mental health include emotional well-being. This refers to a person's emotional state, including their ability to experience a wide range of emotions, express them appropriately, and manage them effectively. Emotional well-being involves feelings of happiness, contentment, and a sense of fulfillment. Psychological well-being. This encompasses a person's mental state, cognitive functioning, and the ability to think, reason, and solve problems. It involves cognitive skills, self-esteem, and a sense of self-worth. Social well-being. Social well-being pertains to a person's ability to build and maintain healthy relationships, interact with others positively, and engage in a supportive social network. It includes healthy social interactions and a sense of belonging. Resilience. Resilience is the ability to cope with life's challenges, adversity, and stress in a healthy and adaptive way. It involves the capacity to bounce back from difficult experiences. Adaptability. Adaptability refers to the ability to adjust to changes, transitions, and new situations effectively, whether in personal life or work. Mental illness. Mental health also encompasses the absence of mental illnesses or disorders, such as depression, anxiety disorders, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, and others. Mental illnesses can significantly impact a person's mental and emotional well-being. Maintaining good mental health is essential for an individual's overall quality of life. Positive mental health enables individuals to face life's challenges, build and maintain relationships, work effectively, and enjoy a fulfilling and meaningful life. It is a dynamic state that can change over time, influenced by various factors, including genetics, life experiences, and environmental influences. Promoting mental health involves recognizing the importance of emotional well-being, addressing mental health stigma, seeking professional help when necessary, and engaging in practices and activities that support mental health, such as stress management, physical activity, social connections, and seeking support from mental health professionals. Mental health care providers, including psychiatrists, psychologists, counselors, and social workers, play a crucial role in supporting and treating individuals with mental health concerns.